Right, got this new little Makita cordless router. I'm gonna give it a try, see how well does it perform, what does it do, what it doesn't do. For the last few years I use this router. It looks pretty much as Makita router, but this is one of these Chinese knockoffs. It's same layout as a Makita, and I was happy with it. It's just for like a little lightweight duty trimmings to do around the jobs. So I decided to get cordless one. So this is going to be first use. Battery is obviously full. So we got lock and unlock. Oh, the light comes on. That's cool. Nice. Very smooth. Very smooth. I like it. So if lock is on, you can't turn it on. So when it's unlocked, the light comes on. It's a good way to tell you that actually it's locked or unlocked. Let's try it on one piece of wood. So let's get any of these. It is 1/4 inch chunk. So I got little router bit here. It's very simple mechanism for locking as well. You can see for locking there, literally it's just a spring-loaded pin that locks into the hole of the spindle. Simple spanner. So with a piece of wood, I'll just do it freehand. Unlock, adjust the depth. I have to say, this mechanism for depth adjustment, it's much smoother than the one on these Chinese knockoffs. Definitely. I mean, that it's worth every single penny. I think it was £29 including delivery. But this is much handier. So let's try it. That is very smooth, very nice. I don't know what the battery life would be, but obviously this is not a tool that you would use on heavy demands. So I think the battery life will be fairly good on it. I like it, and I would recommend it. Comes with other couple bits, little guard and guide and little dust extraction bit, but this is for just a basic bare use, and it's not too heavy and it's fairly well balanced. I mean, when it's fully extended like this, obviously you're not going to use it like that, so you're going to use it say like that. You can obviously have a bit of counterweight of that battery there on the top, you can feel that, but once it's resting on a piece and you're just guiding it, it's actually quite comfortable. I mean, that diameter of, what is that, about 80 millimeters or something, 3.5 inches, quite comfortable actually to hold with one hand and just guide it along the piece. Very portable, feels very solid. Yeah, definitely recommend it. There you go, guys. If you got any questions about it, please ask. I'll be more than happy to assist with any answers. Thank you. All the best.